today we are going to be continuing to work on this high school build for the Sims 4. I have a completely blank save file and I'm building everything from scratch, and I wanted to start with the high school. This is part 3, so if you did not see the first 2 parts, you should probably go watch them. Awesome! The goal for today is to add wallpaper to the inside and along with the flooring, and add some lighting, important things like that. So first thing I want to do is be able to see. So to do that, I'm going to this one, the super subtle saucer light. I'm just gonna put this everywhere so I can see what I'm doing. And that's it. Okay. Now that the place is not a dark abyss anymore, we could work on wallpaper and flooring and important stuff like that. Okay, so I was thinking, let's start off with floor tile. Ugh. Should we do a black floor tile? I think I'll do that. Maybe not this one, actually. Could do that, but I think I'll just do that instead. I like doing that. Okay. So flooring there is cool. Principal's office, I'll have it differently. Bathroom there. Yes. That's it. Okay. And over here, I don't really want tile. Thinking more of this like really light wood look. We can just pretend the walls. The what? The floors are waxed like a basketball. Like, why did I say wars? The floors are waxed like a basketball court. This is what I chose. It's cheap and awful, but this is what I chose. I like it. Wow, that's really sad. I don't like that. That's better. This is nicer. I think I want the classrooms to be unique, different. Maybe I should have the tile a lighter color instead of the dark one. Okay, so now that we have the floor situation figured out, let's work on the walls. Oh, classroom walls. What am I gonna do with you? This could be computer lab. What do I want music to be? Brown. I don't want music to be brown, but I don't want it to be pink either. Yeah. Anyway, I like the giant stripe. I think it adds character. I know a lot of people probably think that it's ugly. I don't care. Okay. Now that I added that, I need to figure out what to do for this one. Oh, these were actually the ones I was looking for. How do I feel about it? Do I want that one or that one? Yeah, let's do that one. Let's change the wallpaper 15 times. It's all about trial and error. Figuring out what looks good. Okay. Door. We need to find a door fit for the principal's office. Oh, and I didn't add a door for the locker rooms. I need to do that too. That's funny. Now I have to work on that one. Alright, so for that one we're going to use the bricks, and for the wall we are going to use 4 bricks. Thinking maybe the ones I use on the exterior. Make it interior as well. I still haven't decided what I want to do for this area. We'll get there when we get there. So that's all for today. We finished putting up wallpaper and flooring for the interior. And so now we're gonna work on actually adding stuff inside. I'm gonna start with the first floor in the greenhouse, and then we'll work our way up. This is gonna be a lot. Alright, until next time, bye bye.